vector OQ is equal to 3A and vector OR is 4B. If the ratio of OP to PQ is 4:3 and M is the midpoint of OR, full stop. If M, X and Q are collinear and vector ROX is equal to mu RP, we are asked to find the value of mu. Okay, the first thing I have to, from this, they say the ratio of OP to that is 4:3, meaning that OP is 4/7 of 4/7 of OQ. Do you get? The ratio is 4:3. So 4/7 of 3A. Which is 12/7A. YPQ is 3/7 of 3A, which is 9/7A. And they said M is the midpoint of OR, so meaning that here is 2B, and this is also 2B. They gave us the vector, so we are moving in this direction. And here they give us ROS, so we'll move in this direction. Okay, let's start by joining M to Q. So we have MQ to be moving in this direction. Okay, so we'll move. So this is our, so with this you can see that MQ, vector MQ is equal to OQ, vector OQ minus vector OM. So as you can see from the diagram, MQ is what? OQ minus OM. Okay, we can easily see that MX is a fraction of MQ. So let the fraction be lambda. So we can see that MQ will be lambda MX. Do you get the logic? From the diagram, you see that MX is a fraction of MQ. So that's why I say let's call MQ lambda MX. So we'll continue. From here, we can bring in MX. As you can see, MX is MR plus RX. So, meaning we can write MX as MR plus RX from the diagram, as you can see, is equal to OQ minus OM. And again, from they told us that ROX is mu RX, so we'll replace ROS as mu RP equals to OQ minus OM. Okay, and from here we can get RP in terms of OP and OR. So we have lambda MR plus, okay, let's use a bigger bracket, mu. From here you can see that RP is OP minus OR. As you can see, for us to get RP is OP minus OR is equal to OQ minus OM. Okay, from here we can, is there any unknown? Because we are OR, let's look. Okay, we can substitute the values now. We have lambda MR is 2b plus mu OP is 12 over 7a, and OR is 4b is equal to OQ is 3a minus OM is 2b. Okay, we'll continue. Okay, you can open this as, okay, we have B here and we have B. Okay, let's just write lambda. There is B here, there is B, so we have 2 minus 4 mu minus 4 mu times B. Do you get? There is 2b. I factored this and this. Why this is minus 4 plus 12 over 7 mu A is equal to 3a minus 2b. Okay, we can open the final bracket, which is 2 minus 4 mu times lambda b plus 12 over 7 mu lambda a is equal to 3a minus 2b. So we can compare the sides. This one has a, this one, so we have 12 over 7 mu lambda must be equal to 3, and that's the coefficient. This is a, so this must be equal to this, and 2 minus 4 mu times lambda must be equal to minus 2. So let's solve. Remember, the unknown here is mu. I introduced lambda just to make our solution easier. I told you ms is a fraction of mq. Let that fraction be lambda. That's why I replace mq with lambda mx. So let's get, in both cases, let's make lambda the subject of formula. From here, this is 4, so making lambda the subject of formula. Lambda here is equal to 7 over 4 mu, and here lambda is equal to minus 2 over 2 minus 4 mu, which is, okay, dividing both sides by minus 2, dividing numerator and denominator by minus, we have 1 equal to 2 mu minus 1. Do you get that? Divided by minus 2. Minus 2 is 1. Minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 2 is plus 2. So lambda is that. Lambda is that. Therefore, 7 over 4 mu is equal to 1 over 2 mu minus 1. So if you cross multiply, I have 4 mu is equal to 14 mu minus 7. So if you collect like terms, we have 7 term is equal to 10 mu. Therefore, mu is 7 over 10. So that's it. But that's what we asked to find. I just introduced lambda to make our solution fast. So that's the solution, 7 over 10. Thank you.